This video is brought to you by ATOTO. Hello and welcome back to Simple Tech Reviews. On this occasion, we'll be looking at the ATOTO A6 HD Android car stereo. The A6 is a top-of-the-line AM/FM dual-DIN Android car stereo. It runs Android 6.0, has 32 GB of internal system storage to install applications, comes with a quad-core processor and 2 GB of RAM memory for a smooth user experience, comes with GPS and Wi-Fi for real-time online navigation, can be used as a dashcam DVR and with a reversing backup camera. Let's begin with the unboxing. We first have the GPS antenna, then there's the external microphone for improved hands-free calling. Next, we have the two USB extension cables with 2 amp quick charge. We then have the wire harness connector. Next is the external Wi-Fi antenna with 3M tape to provide high-gain wireless reception. Then the metal mount brackets and screws. Next, we see the two 7-inch film screen protectors for the screen. We then see the warranty and support guide, the user manual, a plastic installation frame if your vehicle should need one, and finally the A6 2-DIN Android radio unit. Having a closer look at the A6 unit, on the front we see the 7-inch HD screen with a resolution of 1024x600, the built-in microphone, the infrared receiver, the micro SD card slot up to 256 GB, the auxiliary out port, a USB port that doubles as a mass storage input to play music, video, and photos, the reset pinhole, and the buttons for power and mute, volume up, volume down, previous, next, and home. On top we see the wiring diagram and the harness pinout instructions for a precise installation. And on the back we see the optional input for an infrared steering wheel control, the external microphone input, the cable harness port and fuse, the external RCA audio and video inputs, the backup camera video input, the subwoofer output, and the two audio outputs. We also see a Type A USB port, the dual USB cable port, then there's the optional DAB digital radio input, the FM antenna input, the Wi-Fi antenna port, and the GPS port. Having a look at the unit in function, the ATOTO A6 uses a quick power-up sequence that only takes 2 seconds for the unit to boot. In the main interface, we can see that the stock launcher comes with 3 main pages that show most of the pre-installed apps. Note that here you can customize the icons to your liking, or you may install a different launcher altogether from the Play Store. On the first page, you may easily tune into any radio station you like using the radio widget, or you can launch the full radio app to have all functions visible. You can also do the same for music files on the second page with the music widget to quickly play music files recorded on the radio's memory. There are icons for Bluetooth hands-free calling where you can also sync all of your contacts or play Bluetooth music directly from your phone. Note that the A6 comes with dual Bluetooth, which means that you can use it for multiple simultaneous purposes such as data transfer, audio playback, and remote control. You can navigate with GPS using Google Maps or any other app you prefer such as Waze. You may use Pandora or Spotify, which already come pre-installed for online radio, or YouTube for video content. On the bottom of the screen, you can single press to change the audio equalizer according to your music preference, change the screen's brightness, and change the volume. With the DVR icon, you can use the A6 radio just like a standalone DVR. To do this, you may purchase the ATOTO USB windshield mountable dashcam. You can simply plug the USB dashcam to the radio unit and install it on your windshield using the 3M sticky tape. The camera's angle can be adjusted to get the best view for your vehicle, and it will record high-definition video up to 720p. I am adding a link in the video description if you'd like to get it. Additionally, you will notice the Torque app comes pre-installed. You can use an OBD2 adapter to check your vehicle's performance in real time. You may use any Bluetooth OBD2 adapter you already own or purchase one directly from ATOTO from the link shown below. If your vehicle already comes with steering wheel controls, then the A6 will support the functions out of the box. However, if you are driving an older vehicle that does not have steering wheel controls, you may purchase one from ATOTO that works for multimedia, voice calls, voice assistance, and has backlit keys from the links below. You may connect and mirror your cell phone using the Easy Connect app. With the 32GB of onboard system storage, you can download your favorite apps from the Google Play Store and still have plenty of room for more. And you may also use the A6 as a backup camera monitor to see the view behind you when you shift into reverse. You may use an existing RCA video out camera if you have one, or for best results, you may acquire the ATOTO's high-definition hidden license plate rear camera from the link below. For the installation of the radio, first you will need to make sure that your vehicle is suited for a 2-DIN sized unit to fit. Most vehicles do these days with little to no modifications. Once you are sure of the fit, most vehicles come with their own factory radio harness. And then use the diagram on the manual or on top of the radio unit to splice the wires together according to their function. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality dual-DIN Android car stereo, the ATOTO A6 is very much a top-of-the-line product. With the combination of its quad-core processor, the 2GB of memory, and the 32GB of system storage, you can be sure to have the multimedia power of a high-end Android device right in your vehicle. You will also be able to scale up your unit if you like to add the optional accessories in order to build an all-in-one car multimedia, reverse camera, and DVR package. Plus, with ATOTO's responsive support, you will receive live online software updates and count on their after-sales support to provide help in case any future issues should arise, so you won't have to worry about being left in the dark. If you'd like to check out the ATOTO A6, don't forget to click on the link below. And for a limited time, you may use the code ATOTO228 for an additional 8% discount. We thank you very much for watching, and we hope that you like this video and consider subscribing. Up next are a few video samples taken using the optional Dashcam. I'll see you on the next review.